Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. The new Create feature in Microsoft 365 Copilot is rolling out now, and in this video I'll give you a quick overview of what's new and how it works. We'll explore how to get there, what you can make, where to learn more, and we'll even create our first image together. Go ahead and open Microsoft 365, then sign in with your work or school account credentials. Now here you can see I'm now on my Microsoft 365 Copilot dashboard. In the left-hand navigation panel, you'll find the Create option listed. That's the one we'll be using today. Just go ahead and click on it. You'll now navigate to the Create dashboard. Here you'll see a clean dashboard with different types of content you can create, like images, videos, documents, and more. Now let's go ahead and create an image. In this example, I'll be creating a store dashboard image which could be used for reports or presentations. Here I've entered my prompt, create a dashboard for a store. Once the prompt is ready, I'll simply click the Create button to generate the image. It takes a few moments for the image to generate, so just give it a little time. And there we go, the image has been generated. You can see the store dashboard created based on the prompt. Now I want to make a few changes. For example, I'd like to add a title to the dashboard. And there it is. The updated image now includes the title Sales Dashboard right at the top. It looks much more complete now. I also enhanced it by adjusting the style and colors. I selected my preferred options, then clicked Update to apply the changes. The update process may take a few seconds as Copilot applies the selected style and color enhancements to the image. Now you can download this image and use it wherever you need, for reports, presentations, or social media. So that's how you can use the new Create option in Microsoft 365 Copilot to generate and customize images in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Copilot tutorials.